Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan and we're off to a rough start already. So today I'm actually going to be doing a hair tutorial with the Instyler. I looked it up to see when it came out and it says 2010 and I'm not really sure how accurate that is. Anyone who knows me knows that I use this almost every time I curl my hair, and I want to demonstrate how I curl my hair because I looked up so many videos on YouTube and honestly I didn't find anybody who did it exactly like I do. I watched so many videos you have no idea, but literally these are all like hair tutorials with the Instyler. So I'm gonna try to show you because it's so hard to explain. So everyone's gonna do it a different way. This is not on right now. You're supposed to wrap it around the barrel like this and then clamp it down, and the barrel part that rotates when you clamp down, and you're supposed to hold it there for a couple seconds and let it down, and you're supposed to have a curl. And when I first got this, I literally was so upset because I begged my mom to get it for me for so long and I couldn't use it. I didn't know how. I remember downstairs in my bathroom doing this like over and over again, but it didn't matter how many times I did it. I finally was like, no, I'm not going to be able to do it like this. When you double click this, the barrel turns one way, and if you double click it again, it'll go the other way so that it goes both ways on your hair and it's not like kinking up any parts of your hair. So I section my hair in 3 parts. I'm going to just turn my Instyler on. You hit this button once. There's 4 heat settings. And when it's blinking, it means it's warming up, so when it stops blinking, that means that it is heated up all the way. When you click it, you can see it goes down, first heat setting off, and then you click it again and it's all the way on. And you can hear it when you shut it. Just listen, it's honestly such an annoying noise because it's not that loud, but it's just repetitive because every time you shut it, that's what it sounds like. While this heats up, I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair. This does heat up really fast, so be careful. But this is my natural hair. I actually fell asleep with it wet last night, so it's super poofy. We are going to start off, like I said, at the top of the ears. And then I literally just clamp it like that. Okay, so now the Instyler is heated up. It stopped blinking. So I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair out to start off. And I always curl away from my face. I just like going all one way on both sides. I use the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer. I've used this, oh Jesus. I've used this for so long. I like to tell myself that it protects my hair from the heat. I'm not really sure if it does or not, but it's the thought that counts. Use only a little bit. Try not to spray myself in the face. So we're gonna start with this. I look at it to try and figure out which way it's going because I need the barrel to be away from my face because that's the way that I want the curls to go. I hope that makes sense. It probably doesn't. I just click it. Now it's going the right way because it's going this way, and that's the way that I'm going to be curling my hair. You start off with it like this, the barrel goes underneath. God, I don't even know how to explain it. So clamp down, turn, and then you just do the same motion all the way down the hair. And then after I do that, I like to just cup it in my hands and let it cool. Shit. Clamp down, start at the root. I do this really fast because it's on the highest heat setting. And you really don't need to hold it there for that long. Like when I watch people on YouTube videos and their tutorials with like heat styling tools and they hold them there and talk, I'm like,
no, God! No, God, please, no!
So I don't hairspray it until I'm done with the whole section, but my hairspray that I use is the Tresemme Mega Firm Control, but it's a Freeze Hold 5. I like this because it does really help with holding the style of your hair, but it doesn't make it feel crunchy. So I highly recommend that, and it smells really good. Anywho, we're gonna start off on another piece. This is gonna be bigger than this first piece that we just did, so I can show you guys. But we're still going the same way because it's still going away from my face. Do the exact same thing. Clamp down, turn it until this part hits that hair, bring it under, and do it over again. You just go down the hair and then let it go. And then, like I said, I put it in my hand and bring it up. I just do this until it cools down to make sure that it holds that curl. Scrunch it up like this. When I'm in a rush, I usually just let it go. We're gonna do this front, oh god. We're gonna do this front piece. So the barrel is turning this way, away from my face. It's a lot harder to explain, but I tried. We're gonna take this, clamp it down, start turning it. When it hits the hair again, yeah, turn it over. Go. So now that the bottom layer is done, I'm gonna put a little bit of hairspray on it. I'm going to put this down now. So I'm going to do this side and the back. And this side. About to see it shine, they can never break us down, braid this with a heat protectant. Twirl it. Same thing. I twist it and kind of throw that back. There we go. Start off with a bigger section right here. So make sure you remember to clamp it down again so it's going the right way. Clamp it down as close to the roots as you can. Turning when it hits that, go under, hits the hair again, and you just keep going down. This glow will golden, it will golden, baby girl will golden. They're about to see it shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Put the barrel under, clamp down, going away from my face. When it hits my hair, I flip it over and do it all over again. I do run my fingers and like shake it out when I'm done. So now we're gonna put the rest of the hair down. Here we go. Fix my part. Super cute, super cute. And then spray this side. Alright, and then twist it. So again, make sure that the barrel is going away from your face. Last one at the face, you really want to make sure that you're getting all those little stray hairs. I have a lot of baby hairs up around my face. I'm sweating balls. Okay, so we are almost done. We're just doing the last few pieces of hair right up close to my face on the very top. I do take bigger sections usually on this piece because I don't want to split it into more sections because I'm lazy. Lift up, turn it, and go under and keep going. Turn and pull. And pull it to the ends. Oh God. Now I'm gonna hairspray the whole thing and like lift it up as I'm spraying to give it more body. So I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes and then I will come back and I will show you how I comb through it and style it. So once you've ran your fingers through it and it's just kind of loose waves right now, I'm going to flip my head upside down and hairspray the shit out of it. If you guys want to pick up one for yourself, I will let you guys know where they are available. Authorized retailers are Ulta Beauty, Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, Walmart, Sally Beauty, Kohl's, Amazon.com, and Macy.com.
But in my opinion, selfies. No.
They retail for about $100 depending on where you get them. I'm sure that there can be coupons that you can use with it. I'm pretty sure that this one is from Bed Bath & Beyond. My mom got it for me like 2 Christmases ago. This is pretty old. I actually need to get a new one soon because after a while the silver part around the barrel, I don't know what it is, but it's starting to like chip off and it can catch on my hair and it kind of pulls it. But that's really the only thing. If you guys liked this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching.
All